Tired of your videos falling flat? It can be incredibly frustrating to put in so much effort and not see the results you hoped for. Let's fix that by mastering YouTube demographics. Understanding your audience is key to creating content that resonates. Knowing who's watching your content can make or break your channel. It's not just about views, it's about engagement and connection. Let's dive into the age groups first. Each age group has unique preferences and interests. For kids under 13, think animated stories, educational fun, and gaming. They love vibrant visuals and interactive content. Teens aged 13, 17 love vlogs, music, challenges, keep it trendy and relatable. They're all about the latest trends and viral challenges. Young adults, 18, 24, crave a mix of education and entertainment, tutorials, travel vlogs, tech reviews. They appreciate content that adds value to their lives. Adults 25, 34 want value fitness, career tips, DIY projects. They're looking for practical advice and inspiration. Middle-aged folks, 35, 54, go for family advice, finance tips, home improvement. They're focused on stability and improving their quality of life. And don't forget seniors, 55 plus, who appreciate health tips, tech tutorials, and a touch of nostalgia. They enjoy content that's both informative and comforting. And now let's talk gender. Gender demographics can also provide valuable insight. Men dig gaming, sports, and tech. They're often drawn to content that's competitive and tech-savvy. Women, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content are their jam. They love content that's stylish and practical. Leverage these demographics. Analyze your audience with YouTube analytics. Tailor your content, engage with your viewers, stay trendy, and collaborate with influencers. It's all about creating a community and staying relevant. Master these insights and you're on your way to YouTube stardom. Happy creating! Remember, understanding your audience is the first step to success.